Greetings, this is Linda Donalds, and this year at the NGH convention, one of my presentations will be life coaching strategies to complement your hypnosis sessions. It's a 2-hour workshop where we will explore structured coaching exercises to use with your clients for greater outcomes. And in my presentation, you will discover ways in which integrating life coaching strategies can increase the success of your hypnosis programs. You'll experiment with alternative approaches to common coaching tools to gain new perspectives. And you'll learn methods to integrate these insights that are gained from the coaching exercises into your hypnotic trance work. This presentation is going to be best for those of you who are interested in exploring life coaching strategies that can be used as part of your hypnosis sessions. So come join me and expand your coaching toolbox to further assist your clients in achieving success. I'll see you in August at the NGH convention.